everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be budgeting for the first half of June. My husband is in the military and he gets paid bi-weekly, and I usually split like bills and stuff between two paychecks. I don't really have a lot of bills. We don't pay rent or utilities because we do live on base. The military provides us with the housing allowance, and since we live on base, they just take that housing allowance. So we don't even budget for that. Also, I don't really have a lot of like tiny little subscription bills here and there because I usually pay that annually. I pay it in the beginning of the year so I don't have to track it every month. Okay, so I already set up the monthly layout. I want it to be a little bit more decorative this month because I have a ton of stickers and I really want to use them, so why not do that? You know what I mean? These stickers I got from the ERIN CONDREN sticker books, and then these little asterisk stickers I got from Etsy, as well as the payday stickers are from the budget kit from Caffeinated Kate. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write down all of my bills. On the first, I have my braces. Then I have my internet. On the 8th, my husband purchases Wi-Fi. And he is deployed right now, so he purchases Wi-Fi every month in order to like call home and like talk to us, so that's awesome. And then on the 26th, I have my Chase card due. And if you guys didn't know, my goal this year is to pay off my Chase card because that is the last consumer debt that I owe. We are focusing on that this year. And then on the 27th, it is my cell phone bill that's due. And then on these dates here, so I have my friend's birthday here. Her birthday is on the 19th, and I always write these dates down because I really want to allot like money for gifts. And then on the 27th, my mother-in-law's birthday is this day as well. On the 9th, I am planning on gathering things for my husband's care package so I can send it out to him the following day. And then we're celebrating Father's Day. Oh, and then over here, this is my AdSense payday. And then the 28th is the next month's payday. Yeah, so that is basically it for this month. And now I just wanted to focus on some goals for June. So for my goals this month, I would like to pay $1,200 towards Chase, and that includes the minimum payment. Usually the minimum payment is about $200, and I'm planning on throwing like the extra $1,000, so a total of $1,200 towards Chase. Next, I would like to, I meant to write 6 no spend days. You get the point. So I'm gonna do 6 no spend days, or at least 6 no spend days. And then next, last month I had the goal to purge my house of like home decor, clothes, and all this stuff. So this month I would really like to sell my items and, you know, make some money off of it because my son's birthday is next month, and I would like, you know, a little bit more spending money to make his first birthday special. I know he's not gonna remember it, but I am, and I need something to look forward to during this deployment. Yeah, I'm hoping to make a little bit of money from that. And then lastly, I'm hoping to double my AdSense money. So I do get paid from YouTube or Google or whatever every month, but I'm hoping maybe I can make closer to like double of last month. So that would be awesome. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on to the actual budget. So I'm going to be using these Caffeinated Kate stickers that I got from Etsy, and they're really cute. She always has like the cutest stickers ever. So I usually make 2 budgets a month, and I pick and choose all the stickers from this kit so I can use them for both paychecks and make it cohesive. So let's just get started. This is so cute. Okay, and I just start at the little flag and work my way down. Ah, so cute. Okay, we got the June budget right here. Okay, cute. Okay, and let's just go ahead and start with the income. So I'm gonna use this sticker right here for income. So I'm not too sure what the pay will be. It varies, but it's like within the same range. So I'm just gonna say it is about $1,700 again for this paycheck. Because he's deployed, like the pay is completely like different, and I don't understand it. So usually it's like around that. So I'm gonna budget for that. Now I'm just gonna budget for the bills. Okay, so the first bill that I have are my braces, for my braces. And it's gonna be $345. And then I have my internet, and that is usually $49.99. Next, the last bill that I'm actually paying is my Chase, and I'm hoping to pay $600 with this paycheck. So that's what I'm planning on doing. And then now I am gonna budget for savings, and I don't think I'm gonna be saving that much with this paycheck at all with this paycheck, but I'm just gonna write that down here. If anything, if I get any money for like say selling my clothes and home decor and whatnot, I'll go ahead and throw it into savings, but right now I don't have anything that I'm budgeting to save right there. And next, I'm just gonna do some living expenses. So the first thing is food. Like food, groceries. It's just for me and my son. I'm just gonna budget $200 for this paycheck because I usually do $100 a week. Usually I don't spend that much. I probably would range around like $70-ish, but I'm just gonna go ahead and budget for $100 because I'm planning on like stocking up on some pantry items because I'm running low. Next, I budget for gas, and I'm only budgeting $100. I'm not going anywhere during this pay period, and it takes about $50 to fill up my whole tank of gas. So $100 should be like perfect for the next 2 weeks. Then I always budget for my husband. We usually do $200 a month for him, just in case if he needs to get something while he is over there and he needs stuff. I don't know. $200 is like the perfect amount. And also, even if he doesn't use it, he'll just save it and use it the next month. Also, care package. I have a lot of things that I kind of already gathered for him. There's only like a couple things here and there, which shouldn't cost that much at all. But I'm only gonna budget $20 because that's how much it's gonna cost to like ship his care package. And also I still have leftover money from last month when I budgeted for his care package. So it's actually works out really great. I only really need like $20 to like ship out his care package. I know Father's Day isn't until the 16th, but I'm gonna budget for a Father's Day gift in this paycheck, so I can make sure that get to my dad and my father-in-law in time. So right now I'm only budgeting $100 because I already have a gift sinkings fund. I do have some money left in that fund. It kind of works out. It works out that I have enough money to like get them both gifts. And lastly, I always budget for miscellaneous. Budget $100 because sometimes there may be little things here and there that I don't budget for or remember to budget for, and this always saves me every single time because I do like Dave Ramsey's idea of budgeting for every dollar, but it kind of gives me anxiety just in case, like, what if I forget something and then like I have to pull from savings or something. So this miscellaneous fund is a must for me, at least. And yeah, that's basically it. I'm just gonna go ahead and total this all up, and let's just use this balance sticker. Okay, and the total comes out to $17.14.99. I know it is a little bit over the expected income. So when things like this happen, I wait until the actual payday comes to see how much everything is. If it's $1,700, then I will tweak it. I'll tweak a little bit of the expenses here in order to be able to have enough money to pay and cover everything. But if it is more than this, then I just go ahead and leave it like that and save it for that. Usually my rule when it comes to budgeting is to underestimate your income and overestimate your expenses, just so you're never like surprised when it comes to like paying bills and all your expenses. I'm just gonna keep it like that until payday comes, and then I can tweak it. And I want to decorate it a little bit more, so maybe put some of these stickers right next to it. Savings, expenses. Okay, that is kind of cute. Or should I put it, you know what, let's do this. Let's put it in the front. Okay, I'll just do it like that. Okay, cute, 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 cute. Okay, also I'm gonna make a little note down here because there are some things that I have to remember. I'm just gonna have to remember that I have to budget for some birthday gifts for the next paycheck because, like I said, I have my friend and my mother-in-law's birthday coming up. And then also, I just need to remind myself that if I do have any extra money to kind of put it away for my son's birthday party, which will be next month. And I can't believe he's turning 1, guys. Like, where did this year go? Like, I feel like he was just, you know, born and now he's turning 1. Like, what the heck? Okay, and then, of course, I put the little check mark thing here. Usually I'll write down the actual amount once I pay the bills and everything, and then I'll put a little check mark to show that I already took the money out or paid the bill or all that. And then lastly, I'm gonna put down little envelopes for my cash envelopes. I always pull out cash for food. I'm gonna pull out money for the care package. And lastly, for Father's Day, that's gonna bug me. Actually, I kind of want a pink color. I have pink for the care package. Okay, so yeah, that is it for the first June budget. If you guys have any questions or anything, please let me know. I really do try to respond to all of you guys. And also be sure to check out my Instagram. So my Instagram handle is Cindy Latruse. I post a lot of like behind the scenes, what goes on in my daily life, pictures of my son, and all that stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Okay, bye guys!